I just know that y'all gonna love this video today, baby, because we are styling leopard, honey, in about 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different ways, okay? And it is perfect for the summer time. Yes, honey, leopard is not just for the fall. So cousins, let's get into this video. Hey cousins, welcome back to the channel. What's up, y'all? I'm Shauna for all of my cousins who are new here on the channel. And on this channel, child, we talk about Jesus, we talk about plus size fashion, we talk about everything in between, and just living life and having fun, honey. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in, baby, keep on watching. And girl, go on and hit that subscribe button. Don't be playing, okay? Now, cousins, make sure that you comment on the post, like it, because listen, I am going to talk back. We are talking styling leopard for the summertime. And you know what? You can actually even take some of the ways that the leopard is going to be styled in this video and transition them over to the fall as well. Now, child, I know we are in the heat of summer, but just keep this video tucked in your back pocket, all right? So the first thing that I am going to show you all is actually this dress that I'm wearing right here that I picked up from Amazon. But before we get started, for any of my cousins who are new, let me just give y'all my measurements, okay? I am 5'5" in height in real life, okay? So I'm a little short. I wear a size 22, 24, typically in my clothes, unless, child, depending on who make them. Sometimes I have to size up, sometimes I have to size down. It just depends. We know how that go, okay? Now, I have a lot of legs, hips, and surprise at the back. The surprise is my butt, okay? I got a lot of it. Just to let you all know how I am built and how things are going to fall on me. I do have a stomach, but I be wearing my shapewear, okay? So with this particular dress, y'all, I got a size 3X in this dress from Amazon. Now with the dress, it's very stretchy right up here in the top area. It's a very soft material, very flowy, perfect for summertime. Perfect for you to really wear this dress wherever you decide that you want to wear it. You can put it on with heels, you can put it on with sneakers, you can put it on with sandals. You can even take this dress to vacation with you if you so desire. And now you can definitely go in and style and wear this dress just as is, and then do like I did and just throw on some gold chunky jewelry, some rings, and put you on some cute sunnies, honey. Grab your bag and you be on about your way, right? So we all know how to style the dress that way. But I want to show y'all a different way that you can go in and style this dress, okay? Now, the first way that I styled this dress was a skirt. I just took the dress, pulled it down. Now, just as is, y'all, it's just a long, flowy maxi skirt. And so for all of my cousins who love that style, that is perfect just for you. You can go in and belt it if you desire to. But for me, honey, I added a little zhuzh. Yes, I did. I added a little zhuzh to the skirt. I simply just took the bottom of the skirt and pulled it up, because I wanted to show a little leg, and did. I wanted to show a little leg. And as you can see, it completely went in and transformed how the skirt looked versus just leaving it as just a long maxi. Now, this can be done on both sides if you desire to do that, which I think would be very cute if you did it on both size. But for the purposes of the video, I just went in and styled it that way on one size. Now, of course, y'all, you would actually pin it once you pull it up, but I did not pin it because I wanted to show you in the cutaway exactly how I got the skirt to look that way. Now, with the skirt being the dress being styled this way, you can definitely take this to date night, honey, and still be sexy and classy all at the same time while showing a little leg, okay? Now, I just went in and paired it with a graphic t-shirt because that was the closest thing in proximity to me as I was styling this. But I definitely think that you can go in and put on a more of a fitted shirt a black, a lime green, more of a fitted shirt, even a bodysuit, to give you that date night feel or that night out on the town feel, especially with you going in and designing the skirt like this, honey. Now, if you're like me and you are a sneaker girl, go ahead and throw your sneakers on. If not, go ahead and throw your heels on. But baby, you have to let me know, do you like this look? And is this something that you would actually rock? Let me know in the comments. Y'all gotta talk back to me, okay? Now, the second way that I went in and styled this dress is I just put on a white button down. And I also grabbed a black tie to tie with it. And then I put my little Afro Girl brooch on with this look, which I thought was super, super cute, y'all. Now, this is something that you can definitely take and transition over into fall for when it gets a little cooler outside. Because y'all know we like to remix our clothes over here, okay? Or even if you're going to an event, you're like, you know what, I want to wear the dress, but you don't want to wear your arms out. Just depending on the type of the event that you're going to, you can even rock this look to church as well and still be cute and also comfortable. Now, I did go in and grab my big fluffy statement bag because I thought it went perfect with this look, y'all. And this look right here, it just keeps it clean and simple with what I call my big poodle bag. Now, for my cousins who love more of a statement, I went and grabbed my zebra print bag went and grabbed my zebra print bag from Amazon and paired it with this just to show you all that you can definitely play with prints and do not have to be afraid to play with the different prints. You don't always have to be so matchy when it comes to your clothes, okay? So y'all let me know, which look would you actually rock? Would you go with the more plain black bag if your style is more subtle? Or you like, girl, listen, I'm bold out here in these streets. Baby, give me that zebra bag, okay? And go ahead and play with it. So of course you can pair this with just a simple black heel, or if you have some Adidas Sambas, for all of my cousins who are in the sneaker girl era, you can definitely go in and put your sneakers on with this, which would be a perfect casual look. Now let's get off into these leopard pants. Y'all think the leopard pants is my favorite look, okay? So y'all, these leopard pants that I'm wearing, I shopped them out of my closet, but I did go and find y'all some other leopard pants that y'all can put on, or even jeans, okay? So my pants originally came from Ashley Stewart's, and I have on a size 24. So the pants I'm wearing, they do have pockets in them, y'all. Now, this white button-down shirt came from Torrid in a size 3, because y'all know Torrid sizes be sometimes be a little bit too big, a little bit too small. Just kind of depends at Torrid, right? So this shirt here is actually in a size 3 that came from Torrid. Now, this was actually a Pinterest inspired look that I saw, and I was like, oh, I have this in my closet. Let me put this together. So that's where this actual came from. I was on Pinterest, as I always am, child, just looking at stuff. And I was like, bam, let's do the plus size on this one, all right? Now, I did go in and pair this with my red New York hat. And also, I have on my Adidas with this look as well, just to kind of pull from the Pinterest inspiration. Now, as you guys have probably seen before, I went in and put on the tie, which is super simple. And just go in and tie the tie up, and you stick a necklace through it, and then you put it on, and then you have that look. So I thought this was super cute, y'all. Now, with the bag, I went in and found my bow bag, child, and I hadn't carried this bag in years. My bow bag, which to pair with this look, just to give it more of a little statement as you're going out. And then, of course, as you guys can see, I just went in and tucked one side in to give it a casual feel. So y'all would have to let me know down in the comments, where exactly would you wear this look too, because it's giving. It can be elevated if you decide to put on heels, or you can do just like I did and go in and put on sneakers with it. So you definitely have to let me know in the comments, where would you rock this look to? And another way that I went in and actually styled these leopard pants was just with a graphic tee. Honey, if y'all don't know nothing about me, I love me a good graphic tee to go in and put on because they're so comfortable, okay? But the leopard pants with a graphic tee definitely gives it a whole vibe. And on the t-shirt, y'all, it just actually says fresh. And so with this look, I went in and put on my red and white glasses that I picked up from Zillow, because y'all know I cannot see in real life, okay? You know I can't see in real life. And also my bag is from Aldo. My bag is from Aldo. And I just actually turned the bag into a crossbody bag. It's really like a shoulder bag that you're supposed to carry on your shoulders. But honey, listen, y'all know we be remixing stuff, so I just went in and flipped it and made it a crossbody bag. And then of course I kept on my red Adidas tennis shoes to rock with this look. So y'all have to let me know, is this something that you guys would rock, whether you want to run errands, pick up kids or grandkids from school? Now honey, when it comes to leopard and using prints, y'all, do not be afraid to play around with leopard. You should have a couple of pieces of leopard in your closet, whether it's a jacket, whether it's a dress, whether it's pants, whether it's skirts, honey, because you can definitely go in and mix and match it in so many different ways and all the different pieces as well. And as you guys can see here on the screen, these are just a couple of additional looks that I actually found on Pinterest that I wanted to bring to you guys, just to show you how creative you can actually get with this print, even as a plus size girly, okay? And even as a plus size girly. So don't be afraid. Now this one look right here, y'all, I actually went and ordered this jacket, okay? This red and white plaid jacket. I went and ordered this jacket, but it just did not come in enough time, because I was like, I am going to rock that look, right? And what I was actually going to do is I was going to use my same leopard pants, but I don't have a zebra shirt, but I do have a halter zebra dress that I was actually going to pair with it to go in and get this look. So honey, I have to probably come show it to y'all at a different time once that jacket come in. But baby, I was like, this right here is the bomb dot com. I love that look, even all the way down to the shoes, y'all. I already had the shoes in my closet, okay? But cousins, I really do hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys have any questions when it comes to outfits or anything like that. I'm always going to go in and respond back to you guys' comment. And also, guess what, cousins? If you have not, joined the email list and also the text list, so that way I can communicate with you guys even outside of YouTube. I'll send you like a weekly newsletter of different things, because you know, stuff always be coming out, stuff be going on sale, and I want y'all to stay abreast of anything when it pertains to fashion, because sometimes, you know, you may have an event or whatever that you need to go to. You're like, dang, I need a little inspiration. And so that is actually what my personal email list is for. It's for me to keep you guys inspired with style, and also here and there I'll go in and send you out motivational things, right? Just to keep your spirits lifted throughout the week, throughout the day, because I just honestly feel like we all need that. So please go in and join the Cousin Crew, which is the email and also the text list, and I do have that link down below. Now cousins, as I tell you guys all the time, honey, make sure that you walk in every room boldly and confidently, baby. And make sure that you own it, okay? Why you gonna own it? Because you belong in that room. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.